Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Friendship Day celebrations take place on the first Sunday of August every year and is joyfully accepted by several countries across the world. One of the common culture is to tie friendship band or bracelets on the wrist of your buddies on this auspicious day. And yes, this video is all about that. Let's try our hands on these beautiful friendship bands come bracelets. Give them to your friends or keep them to spice up your own jewelry collection. So without much ado, let's begin. In order to make these bands come bracelets, we'll need clear vinyl tubes in two sizes which you can easily find in any hardware stores. So we'll need a thick tube and a thinner tube such that the thinner tube can be inserted within the thick tube and should hold tight. And so to make the bracelet, we'll take a tube. I'm taking this thin tube for a thinner band and then we measure it around our wrist such that the band can be easily worn and taken off the hands. And then we cut the tube of the desired length, which I have done already. Now to close the ends, we'll need the thicker tube. We'll cut around half an inch of it and insert it at both the ends of our thinner tube to form the thinner bracelet. Like so. And similarly, we can make a thicker band using the thicker tube, which we'll cut in the desired length as per our wrist and use half inch of the thinner tube for the closure. These are the basics for the starters. You can use them this way itself, or we can make much more variants using glitters, beads, etc., which we'll learn now in the main course. Okay, so for the first variant, I have taken a thinner tube cut by the measurement of my wrist and half inch of the thicker tube for the closure. So that the closure holds firm to our band, we'll use the instant glue. We always apply glue to the thinner tube. So first I glued one end. Now we shall fill in the tube from the other end, but before that we will close the opposite end with a sellotape so our fillers do not come out. Now I made a paper funnel with the help of which we'll fill in our tube with glitters. Glitters are the easiest and cheapest option and you can make ton of these in different colors. And now when the tube is filled completely, we shall apply the glue on the other end and close the tube. It's ready. I made one more in blue and these look beautiful. For the next one, I took two thin tubes and as you can see, I have filled them with silver and red glitters. And I have closed the upper end with the tape too. Now we'll take both the tubes and twist them like this in the form of a spiral. And after we are done, we'll glue both ends individually. And our spiral band is ready. Now for the next one, we'll take the thick tube, half inch of the thin tube for closure, and we'll attach the closure on one end with the glue. And we'll tape this side to avoid any spillage. And now we'll fill in the tube with some beads that easily passes through the tube. And when we are done filling, we close the tube and it's done. I've made one more with magenta colored beads. We'll make one more with the beads, this time multicolored. So I've taken the thick tube, we'll attach the thinner one for the closure, tape the bottom end, and now I have beads in three colors, orange, blue and magenta. All of them are really small in size so it can easily slide in through the tube. Now we start filling each color simultaneously. Like so. And when we are done till the top, we'll join both the ends. And this is it. Yes, we can totally experiment with colors and designs if we make bands with vinyl tubes. They are very easy and very pocket friendly and can be made in the blink of an eye. And friends, I'll be posting one more video on friendship bands in a couple of days. So if you don't want to miss that video, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified. Meanwhile, like this video, drop in some good comments and try making some of these. See you guys very soon. Signing off now. Till then, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.